Hey, dork friends, I bet you know, some of you might know what this is. It's a cute little bag. It's got lots of pockets and things for the chameleon. Loop antenna, the total. Alright, so without making this like a bajillion minute thing, this is the 8-inch loop and the 102-inch coax, and that is the 6.5 loop. It's the 146-inch, and this is also a 102 loop right here. So what I've tried so far is with that loop and the 102, and was able to do 10 through 40 with great SWRs. I am in my basement, so contacts are not very good on QRP. Last night I messed around with the 146-inch one on the 6.5-inch loop, and I got some of the bands to tune, but 80 meters, I just can't get anything less than a 3-to-1 on 80, or even actually right above 80 with the 102 on this bad boy. So, without too much further ado, it tunes pretty quick, pretty easy. I'm on 40 right now, and you see it's less than a 1.5. Oh, what is that? Maybe 2.5 watts, something like that. So we're just gonna tune through the bands real fast and see what it's like. Let's see if we can hold this without a glare. And you can see how when I get close, see how that shifts like that. I might have to use both hands to do this. Rolled it out. Maybe it was too low. There it is. Cool. So that's what you do for anytime you change to a different band. You roll to the right for the higher frequency. You roll to the left for the lower frequency. And I think I already passed 20. Again, I've got the 100. There it is. See that? Let's go up a smidge. Maybe back down. Smidge up. There it is. And you can fine tune that. It's pretty close. Go all the way through all the different bands. So I'm kind of looking forward to this. At least I know I've got 10 through 40. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong on 80 yet. But we're gonna, there it is, see that? Super flat, doesn't even move. That's the SWR right there. Alright, 4 minutes. So yeah, it's been kind of interesting checking this thing out. This little bag I think is gonna be really super awesome. Now that I've got these small parts and pieces, and actually I could probably wrap this even tighter, but I think literally I'll be able to have that antenna and my little power supply, 6 ampere, and this here radio, if I'm not making you too dizzy, in that one little bag. Could be good to go. Hope saw something there you liked. Take care, and we'll catch you later on with perhaps some reports of how this thing gets out. I'm gonna do some digi on a day when I have some time, and today is not it. See ya. 7-3.